This video I am going to solve two math.
Find x when x minus 1 by 1 equals to 1 minus x minus 2 by 3. So this fractional equation we have to find out the x. So we are trying to solve this math step by step. First, this is x minus 1, and interesting, x minus 1 divided 1, it means x minus 1. Here is 1 minus x minus 2 by 3. We can make a LCM, so 3. So 1 times 3 is a 3 minus x minus 2. Then x minus and minus, it will become plus 1, and here 3 minus x minus and minus plus 2 divide 3. So plus x minus x out. So here is 1 and here is 3 plus 2, it will be 5 minus x divide 3. Now we can make cross multiplication. So 5 minus x equals to 3. Then minus x equals to 3. This 5 become right side from left side, so minus 5. So minus x equals to 3 minus 5, it will be minus 2. We can divide both sides by minus, so it will be x equals to 2. So we can make subnote, divide both sides by minus 1. Okay, so very simple, x equals to 2. So this one, very simple thing, we can square both sides. So root 80 square equals to root 2 to the power x times 5 square. So we can write a subnote, squaring both sides. So this root and square out only 80, and here is similar, root and square out 2 to the power x times 5. Now we can divide both sides by 5. So 80 divide 5 equals to 2 to the power x times 5 divide 5. So this 5 and 5 out, 80 divide 5, here is 16. So 16 equals to 2 to the power x. Now what next? This 16 we can write 2 to the power 4, and here is 2 to the power x. We know once base are same, it means 2 and 2 base are same, that time power will be equal. So 4 equals to x. A subnote we can write a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. So our answer is x equals to 4. Thank you. So today we are trying to solve two math, and both math we are trying to find x. I hope you clear. If you have any problem, please write a line in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you.